28 to 26. Well, there's anything that's a change that can be in the first half. Brother Perry. Nancy with Mamuya. Sulodo on the next game. Calvin waiting for the screen from BGR. Decides not to take ways of off. That pass was meant for BGR. Goes out of bounds. Turning over again. Turnover number 6 for TFT. But they already got by 2. Sees the hero game number 3 for TFT. Still with it. Cisco goes in the corner. That's the back to Mamuya. 8 seconds to shoot here. Mamu has to put it up, and it brings it up for it. You know, I still feel that the tempo of the game working. This is how they want to control the tempo of things. Not much running or execution for it. Greater shine.
Good evening, all about the Sipika. Arlene D, good evening. Ma'am Jean, good evening. Sis Rina Rose Vlog, good evening.
It's the screen. Sox just defense. Trying to get it over the top. Finally does. Corner three. No good. They kick that over. Lukaku. Alonso. Game wide open. All day to shoot. It's short. Now really it is down. Holding on to his ankle. Not good. We're being and he lost the boy. Hopefully he's not that serious. Maybe he sent somebody's foot there. We'll see here. Let's see, that's a big play. Don't get off the lead. Good offense. That's what they gave it. This program is brought to you by Arena Plus. Ask your pharmacist for your relief.
Easily Para sa isang tulad ko, sumusunod. Mabilis maglinis ng lungs. Kaya mabilis ng gathering sa GoPro. Science Advance. Mabilis maglinis ng lungs at mabilis. Ha? Oh, boyfriend ko.
Boyfriend ha? Huwag na yung boyfriend ko. Punta mo. Ganda na paano eh. Ano yan?
I understand basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be good at every time. We're passionate about something we really love. It's game day. We're dedicated to sports.
Lavender Growth Nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Leadership Plus with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones and 1.5 times faster growth in 8 weeks.
Also available for teens.
Body pain, stop you from doing your best.
Buti sa lantas.
With the penetration of ingredients, reduce pain immediately. Just one lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours.
For shoulder, neck, back pain. Ganda pa rin ang pakiramdam ko. For pain that massage alone can't relieve, use Salonpas. Relief that sticks for up to 8 hours.
Boss Bell, good evening.
Just pour. Add hot water. Stir and wait for 1 minute. Sip and go. Your 1-minute breakfast.
Would love to start fire for the show.
Let's go it. Sunsilk strong and long with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil. The hair lasts 3 times stronger and thicker looking as it grows long. How amazing! Sunsilk!
This is fried chicken. And here's what the food panda would 100 pesos off. That tastes like a good deal.
Dahil may si baby, nag-ingat sa dehydration. Mom, Divalite. Divalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Divalite.
Standard na, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Divalite. Divalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Divalite.
Honestly, hindi ko nabibitin. With that baby,
Hindi ko mabibitin sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash and ang nanalo mo. Ibang swerte ko. That's it. Fish.
tulad sa cellphone, pagbag sa tablet, sagad sa computer, overexposed sa gadgets. Naku, be active, live healthy. Optim may help. Optim has maintained vitamin C, A, and zinc. Maaaring makatulong ang Optim with exercise and proper diet. Malabo yung puro gadgets. Ang maliwanag, may Optim. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
Malaya pala ang Optim.
Ang programa nito ay rated SPG, striktong patunuhan at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may nasiserang tema, lingwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Ang gana. Santino, bakit mo naman ginawa yun? Kaya na lang yung tatay mo dito. Huwag mo na nagdagan ng problema. Ano ba pwede kitang arrestuin sa ginawa mo?
Bro, sana sabi ng muna yung nangyari kanina. Ako ba ko nagsasabi mo?
Pasensya nga, pero alam mo naman ang trabaho natin, di ba? Batas ang umiiral. Hindi ko may papakita
pangako yan.
Sinabi nga pala sa tuloy nila. Sensya ka na, hindi ko, paginitan ko. Alam kong nagluluksa ako sa pagkamatay ni David. Pero sana, huwag ka magmadala sa init ng ulo mo, lalo na ngayon. Huwag naman sana, pero kapag may nangyari masama kay Marites, kaya na malagawa pa.
Maraming salamat, pinatawag mo ang tatay mo. Hindi mo alam kung gaano mo ako pinasaya. Kung araw mo man, yan ang pangarap ko. Pabuo ang pamilya natin. Kahit na nasa kulungan ko. Ngayon kasama ka. Nanay mo, hindi na ako babae. Masira ko lang dito. Pero papa, mas lalo na sa delikadong buhay namin namin. Dahil sa pagkamatay ni David. Ang alam ni Rigon, ako ang pumatay sa kapatid ko. Kaya nasisiguro na gawin ang lahat para makulit siya natin. Ako, pinagandaan ko ito. Hindi ako papayag na maunahan niya tayo. Ako mismo nagawa ng paraan para hindi pinsaktan ng nanay mo. Tay, pasensya rin po kayo may ginawa ko sa tiro.
Sa labis.
Nakakagabi mo naman si Pangod Martes. Baka yung tatlo lang ang totoong magkakabili sa bahay. Ikaw, ako yung nabig mo. Pag may wala na siya, wala na tayo ibang maasa at yung isa't isa. Hindi na tayo pag-gawin. Pati na rin siya ng muna.
Border, good evening.
Kapag nakita mo sila ulit, patayin mo. Ipahigating mo kayo dalig mo. Until this,
Thank you, Border Adventure.
magiging sa atin.
Jaya Channel, good evening.
di mag-ibasakso.
Rakitera Bisdak, Ma'am Lynn. Good evening, Ma'am Lynn.
Bayan ang makaulit sa dalim ni David di Magiba. Maraming salamat sa panayong suporta sa TV online. Kayo ang aming lakas at inspirasyon sa mga kapatang Quiapo. FPJ's Batang Quiapo. On the last two shows, we were compromised. Unfortunately, that casualties, but I take full responsibility. Ikaw, mga sundalo kayo ng pagkakato. Pag lumabas kayo sa pintuan niya, hindi kayo kumapapa. Sabi na rin ng mga mahal. I will make this right. Okay, sinabi. Okay. Patikim! Ang gafang.
Sa Extra rice ngayon, may extra rice na sa ulam, dahil sauce ang savor sweet piece of meals. 99 pesos lang.
Galing! Magkagaling sa puno ng ulam sa 3 months. Maganda DJ ulam para nagkagaling. Ang Pinaclubs sa puno ng ulam sa 3 months. Hindi sa puno sa binasado. I-wash mo. Sarap mo. Mamasitas oyster sauce mo. 3 times more sarap ang bawat suko. Mamasitas oyster sauce. 3 times more sarap.
Border Adventure, thank you. Mag-play ako mamaya ha. Mag-iwan na ako ng bakas ha. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rakiterang Bisdak. Thank you, Border Adventure. Kamusta na? Kamusta na, Border?
Head and shoulders every day. Productive and everyday full coming back so you're up to 100% dental free every day. Head and shoulders. Sundan sa busok tibay. Wala sa their brand. Ito lang ang may 100% vitamin D. May tibay sa kawan at tibay sa suspension nutrients pack. Isang ganda tibay. Mag-their brand.
Ready to enjoy more chicken choice moments? Try the new chicken joy fuzzy bears. Similac gains grow faster under dreaming. Similac gains grow without a ganglion science supports faster brain connections for faster learning.
Hindi ka malilitin. Pagdating hindi ka mapipigil sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash and ang panalo mo. Ibang swerte mo. That's innate.ph. Ano ang choice mo? Sira. Spicy, sweet with extra hot, Alicia Curry crackers, chooser. Relax sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalant. Vivalant is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-relax sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalant. Dahil may sigurity, mag-relax sa dehydration. Non-Vivalant. Vivalant is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-relax sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalant.
Ang bago naman ang sugod. Take out na. Si Del Solor, mga ini. Ma'am Lynn, good evening, Ma'am Lynn.
BGR leading the way for the TNT at 5-3 on the offensive end of the floor. He's been scoring a lot in this game. Unfortunately, he's not shooting well for the people that are shooting 1 out of 6. And actually, TNT has gone to the 11 times, missed 6, and 5 of the misses came from Brandon Rucker.
Yan.
Let's second half, another get started here. Here we go. Look at Johnson. Johnson against Adam. We did not get a lot of minutes there in the first half. Johnson back to Velcro. Velcro stopped there by we ran into a BGR. And it's forced this guy another rebound. Here's Irwin. And Brandon Rucker kind of limping. Going down court. Ready. Here's Hoffman. That is a defense there, but turning on the jumper is funny.
Or just
Sure 2 points for Ostana as soon as he gets it. He went to do the ball. Here's Planito. Planito. Defense of TNT showing up here so far. Ostana. Counter steal there. Bronco. And bodies on the floor once again here. Ostana's hurt. Not moving also on the other side, but one player is down from Rainer Shine. He was about to take off. And BGR comes flying on the other end as well. Coach Lindell has to issue the warning. Coach Trot has already been given a technical in the first half. Yes.
Ang laptop ko.
Not only the players are intense, even the coaches. Well, I mean, these are two of the most intense coaches that we have in the PGA. Rico Ford, they got a connection for 3 is no good. We got a 10 to Perrella. Ostana, Calvin, all the way to the basket. Once again, back to the baskets here. By Ostana, starting the third. Sandy. Rocco. No good in that long bomb right there. A 2-point game in favor of Ranger Shot. Okay. We go to BGR. Now with Ostana. Ostana once again, baseline jumper on the way. A little bit too strong. They're going to remember Johnson. Crosses over Ostana. And a foul given up there by TNT. That's a great crossover move there by Caracol. Leaving Ostana there and getting a foul. There's not going to be an easy layup here in this game. They've earned every point on the board.
yes.
Both teams.
With games like this, you need to really be good in your free throws.
They're out the back of the free throw line. It's been there a couple of times already in this ballgame.
Oh, yes, that's a missed free throw yet.
Yes.
Hindi kami wa si Smada.
Holding my breath for you, Coach. One more free throw coming his way. 7 points in the ballgame 3 times.
6 out of 6.
If you're just joining us, Gabe Norwood leading the way for Rainer Shine there in the first half. Okay. Dancing with Johnson. Penny whips it over to BGR. Corner 3 on the way. Got it. You know that Rosser can bury those threes, especially when he's not wide open. That's right. It's the second one of the ball game. Sends it out to Johnson. Wants the answer on the other end. Can't do it. And Carito, you gotta admire that hustle coming up off the shot for the putback. just lurking there, waiting for his chance to get that rebound. Ready. Pull up three on the way. 10. Can't go under. Jordan Henning is gonna bury that three.
The double digits now with 10 points.
Andre, three balls, no good. Whistle is blown here. Foul with Glenn Strasser. There's that pull. His foot was on the line. Oh, okay. He was going for 4 once again. He hit a 4-point shot earlier. Yes. As we send it over to the Escudero.
Even before tip-off, Coach Yan Yao reminded the players that things will only get tougher from here, and at the half, the message was clear to stay mentally tough against your relentless heel of the squad. Assistant coach Ricky Omaya pointed to their 10 first-half turnovers as one of the reasons TNT was able to stay close despite Raider Shine's early momentum. Another area of concern, points in the paint. TNT has scored 50% of their output inside, drawing fouls and getting to the line. So the call now is more disciplined defensively to protect the paint and avoid giving up easy chances. Now, a quick update on TNT's Kelly Williams. After re-evaluation, Dexter Aceron says it's unlikely that we will see him back on the floor here in the second half.
Thank you very much for that update. Ms. Bailey Escudero. Very unfortunate there for Coach Cotnez and TNT that Kelly Williams won't be able to come back in this contest, at least not likely.
Oh, yes. You know, they're already missing Armar Pugoy, and now they're going to miss Kelly Williams here in the second half.
They're also missing Malang has been out for them. Of course, Jason has been out for them as well. Yeah. The injury woes continues here for TNT. 51-49. TNT does have the lead, however. Ready. Here's the back. Step back over Malcolm. Against the fouls. Another whistle there, but it looks like it's going to be called a Brian. Or good that we up there, but yeah, Vivo.
He was high up there over many TNT players.
Over the team, check it back in the game here for Calvin Oscana. Maudin was called for a flagrant foul penalty one in the first half.
Don't look now, but TNT has the upper hand,
That's right.
leading by 2. After trailing by 6 at the end of the first half.
Sarako. Here's Chongson. Now with Juanito. Gonna attack the basket. Juanito all the way to the cup part 2.
That's only the 4th point of Raider Shine here in the third.
Almost loses it. Yes, he does. Donald picks it up. Here's Clarito. Back to Donald. 3 ball on the way. Just like that, the lead back with Raider Shine.
Right, the guy that was able to force that turnover was the one who scored that 3.
I'll be all day to shoot that 3. Right over time, once again, 54.
Both teams starting to score here in the third.
Garapolo to the corner. Chokes on 4-3. It's raining threes.
Oh, yeah.
At the instant follow Asia Arena.
All of a sudden, Raider Shine was able to get back the lead.
57-54. 7 minutes to go here in Q3. DGO. Shoots over Clarito. Couldn't get it. From Cobotin. Gets that rebound. And turns it into the positive.
That's what you like about Glenn Cobotin, the tenacity.
Clarito, not wasting any time, attacks the defense. Gets the hoop and the arm on the other end.
Yeah, TNT cannot relax. Every time you score a basket, you have to be ready to get down and stop the transition of Raider Shine.
There's that once again. Absorbing the contact from Cobotin, shooting over Mera. The basket was the foul.
I'm just surprised that Glenn Cobotin was the one who scored at the other end, and he was the one who stopped that fast break of Rain or Shine. They complete the 3-point play, however. Looking at free throw. Alvin sets it to Pogontin. 3 balls, no good. Unable for the rebound. Ruela, Eagerbrain, Camper, trickles in. And that offensive rebound is really hurting Rain or Shine. 1-point game. 59-58, 6:16 left go here. So kick out in, with that foul, and that's going to send the TNT from 5 to the penalty. Meanwhile, Raiders shot only with 1 team foul so far here in the third quarter. That's right. TNT shooting a low 54.5% from the 9. In a game that's been separated by a point. Yeah, at least as of now. Thompson is here, the first free throw. Rain or Shine shooting a high 76 from the free throw line. It's over to Bea. That's what
Even Johnson has been a steady presence for Rain or Shine all series long, with James Galvin to praise him as an all-around guy, someone who can defend, rebound, score, and can switch from big to guard when needed. After knocking down 4 of 6 from deep in Game 30, Coach Ian wasn't surprised to feel it. Hits those shots consistently in practice. It's about showing the same confidence in game. Coach Ian added his effort is contagious, and he wants Taylor taking those shots not just out the scoreboard, but to lift the confidence of the entire team.
Thank you very much for that. Ms. Bayless Canelas. That was a point ever scoring down. Defensive stop at the other end. Big let's get to Bird. Today, he scored it on their end. Was able to knock that shot. As you can see here, this keep on defensive stop. All the habits going like Pioneers and Atmosphere. Pioneers and Atmosphere. Defense. Sort of to it here. Some of us are pretty good. So, look at this. It's a ball on the shot. It's 7 hours. Back up on the balance. From his threes. Ricky on the balance there also. But I think they are celebrating 50 years of this year. He goes and joins us between makers of the people. Who erupted there in game number 3. Look at those numbers. Games 1 and 2. 50 work, but a 4 of 6 from downtown. A solid from beyond the arc. Yes, he's one of the reasons why Rain or Shine won that game. And look at his average is going up. You know, it's groovy.
been 6 league changes already in this game. Scored better on scores down low once again. Boy, that was big. Stepping up take here in the third quarter. It's been a lot here in the second half. He's a leading Sankey screen. They go to Thompson. There's Knocko. Knocko. Still with it. Tried to get that one on that on the hands of it. No, not in my house. Third quarter for Mela. He's not going to block that run, but he does force a miss and get the rebound. Here comes Ruela. Here's Oli. Oli gets away all alone. One of the few touching baskets by TNT this game. Now they have the lead once again. Oli Johnson from the corner. Every time TNT either gets a 1-point lead or cut it close, Greater Shines have an answer. Johnson has been fairly hot from the three-point area. Cowboy King from the other end answers with his own triple. And the lead for TNT. It's been fun coaching. It's been a really, really fun game to football. Both teams trying not to lose this game. We're going to check something here. 67-66, lead back with TNT. So delayed the game, technical foul going to be called with TNT there. Cut off with back to the free throw line. He's made a living this ball game on the free throw line. Has it missed a shot? You waited.
That makes your life longer.
We're tied once again at 67. 7 out of 7 from the free throw line. Tanaka. Goes to Johnson. Puts it on the floor. Johnson. There's nowhere to go. We're over there. Noel picks it up. Here comes BGR. The basket plus the foul. Oh, he's been playing really well, Coach Giddy. Oh, yes. And Wes is must be for blinding that scoring. The TNT needed with the absence of Kenny Williams and Mara Kuboy. Dennis Lawson gets that basket. Gets the foul and sent over to Baylor.
It was a quiet game for you for BTR, who admitted his foul trouble has been holding him back before the game. Coach Matthew reminded him of just how crucial he is in the series. Brandon shared that at times they're trying to do too much instead of locking in on what matters most. Protecting the lane, chasing those loose balls, and being the dirty work defensively. Now with the trust he's been getting from the coaching staff, Brandon Williams has to clean things up and step into his role as one of TNT's most versatile picks.
Thank you very much for that. That was great. That was together. BGR, 17 points already. He's going to make it 18 points. It's Coco King. Kicks the basket for 2. Oh, Declan King displaying so well. Shooting those threes. Driving to the basket. And of course, you can rely on him on defense as well. TNT now with a 5-point lead. them that win. And then he's followed it up again in this game. He actually scored already a double figures by 13 points. 7 of those coming here in the third quarter. So here in the third quarter, just joining us, the Raiders and the Las Vegas had a 47-41 advantage at the break. And so far here, TNT has outplayed them in the third quarter. You now lead 74 to 67. And what has been a very, well, let's just say, intense basketball game. Yes. And another timeout has been called. It's 74 to 67 in favor of TNT.
Andito na ang Mega Panalo. Games. Shows. Prizes. Register na.
2:47 left to go here in the third quarter. 74 to 67. Let's take a look at the series summary here. Game number 1, you can see there, a very close contest. Ended up being a TNT victory. And game number 2, also one that was close, went to overtime. The TNT Raider Shine. Actually, let's take a look at what's going to be happening here. July 4, Friday. That's going to be the remaining games. Again, 74 to 67 is the count. In favor now of the TNT top of 5G. What an entertaining ball game this has been. The SM Mall of Asia Arena. Gina Fini here together with Coach Eric Altamirano and Bea Escudero manning the sidelines for us. He's working overtime today. Hardworking there. So something, you kind of get the feeling that this is going to be, something big is going to happen in the fourth quarter. As we, in the latter stages here of Q3.
And don't look now, but Mr. President
Is back on the floor. Here's Mamu. Mamu's affected in the first half. Donko. 3 ball on the way. A little bit too strong.
DMT limiting Rainer Shine to 1 basket or 1 attempt to the basket.
Galinato back in the game. Ostana. Obuti. Now with Odin. 10 seconds to shoot here for the white shirt. Odin against Mamuya. They get the switch. Back to on Odin. Odin baseline jumper. Big time shot there by King Odin.
Yeah, King Maureen knew that they were going to switch on the pick and roll, took advantage, attacked, Datu off the dribble and scored.
9-point game. Raider Shine has been silenced so far here. Noko. Noko still with it. Has to shake free of the defense. Overcooks that shot and it's batted out of bounds and it's going to go back to TNT.
You got to give credit to TNT now. You know, in terms of defense, they able to limit Rainer Shine to 33% from the field goal. And that almost here in the third quarter.
1:37 to go in Q3. Galinato. It's done. Here's Herrera. And up to Alvin. Alvin. Pull up jumper from the elbow. A little bit too strong that time. Here's Mamu. Mamu still with it. Mamu draws contact. He could be getting free throws here. What a dry spell here for the Rangers Shine and Las Vegas. Need to stop the run of TNT here. These free throws coming from Mamu. There's Gia Mamuya.
Another guy who was out with an injury for quite some time. Nice to see him healthy this conference. In game number 3, didn't really have a solid game. Not the Mamu numbers that we know that he can put up. Nice numbers there in game number 2. They are in game taking care of those free throws to stop the peaking for Rain or Shine.
So far, Rain or Shine has been doing really well from the free throw line. They're shooting at a 77% clip. If they should be driving more to the basket and getting those fouls.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Fernando all alone down low. Easy basket for him.
Oh yes, that Spain action of the ball screen really worked well for TNT.
Clarito. Clarito falls to the ground. And it's going to be TNT ball. Another turnover here for the Rain or Shine, the last Painters.
Oh yes, their offense has been very sporadic, to say the least. And you have to give credit to the defense of TNT. You know, with the absence of Kelly Williams, RR Pogoide really have to dig in and find ways on how to win this game, and they're doing it through their defense.
TNT enjoying a 2-1 advantage in the series. If they win this one, it's going to be a big 3-1 advantage.
That's right. Glenn Gobontin, the man that's not really expected to score. For TNT has scored 9 points already here just in the third quarter.
For 3. No good. Another one and done here for TNT, Koji.
Yes. No fouls called there. But what a quarter for TNT.
They were down by 6 points at the break. They are now ahead 80-69 and go to the quarterfinal. Next.
Dad, tawag akong huwag kang ba alam, nandito lang ako. Huwag kang matakot na ako'y lumasa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na matakot.
really beefing up their team from the draft.
That's right.
So the coach Jeff Yang is very good at it, discovering new talent and holding them up and transforming them into really superstars in this league.
That's right. So first, another foul there for Knocko. But over on the other side, the Silverbirds once again, there's Knocko running into VGR. But for TNT, they had so many injuries to, their important players. Jason Castro to Steve Nagtata, and then Armar Pogoy, Kelly Williams. I mean, this shows also a lot of character for them. That
Oh,
they're
yes.
able to, and they were down in the first half. They turned it on in the third. So a lot of character for this champion franchise.
Oh, definitely.
They'll take that turnover right there. Only 29.9 seconds left until the TNT 12-5G officially go up 3-1 in this semifinal contest.
I mean, Coach Yang kept his starters or almost all his starters
Mag-enta po ako, Ma'am Jean, Busbel, Ma'am Rakitera, Bisdak. Thank you so much, Boss G. Bye-bye, everyone.